station is Ashford International.
The 10:30 Southeastern service from Ramsgate and Ashford International to London Charing Cross. 375, 613 and 921. Most of this will be filmed on my Samsung, as I've got a shortage of space on my iPhone and a good connection to upload it to iCloud. Because if you don't upload your iPhone photos to iCloud, you get a very short memory storage. 613 and 921 to London Charing Cross via Tonbridge. 395018 is 5 cents 16. Five cents 16 is a service with 70. Okay, the 10:55 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. 375623 Hospice in the Weald. 375907. Trying to remember how to work this now. And what will appear from the right hand side to me is the 10:56 Southeastern service to London Victoria. 377514. Is it the gold one? No. Quoted as 374 with gold ends to represent Paris 2024 Olympics. 377514 to London Victoria.
Platform 1 for the 11:02 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross.
Okay, for platform 2, the 1100 hours GBRf service from Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard. We've got 73963. Well, I should have anyway.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 2.
Where are you stopping? Up there? That'll do. Then 3963 to Tunbridge, 375918 to Charing Cross. 1125 to Ashford Depot. 465930.
Platform 5 for 11:16 Southeastern service to Pancras International, Ebbsfleet International, Stratford International,
and on the right hand side the other half of the 1116 to St Pancras. Number 5.
Accessible facilities can be found with a coach and train.
Platform 5 for the 11:25 Southeastern service to Dover Priory. Coordinates Western Manor, Stanley, Folkestone West, Folkestone Central, and Dover Priory. This train has 8 coaches. 2 stations platform, Western Manor, Ashford runs 5 coaches. There are usually many teams stations. Platform 5 for 11:25 Southeastern
465 930 to Ashford Depot. Next off platform 5 is the 11:25 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory. Leading the train got 375901.
Please stand away from the train on platform 5.
And on the left hand side the delayed 11:20 Southeastern high speed service from St Pancras International to Margate 395021. 375901 to 375622 to Dover Priory via Folkestone 395021. With 395007. Ed Clancy and Steve Backley to Margate via Thanet Parkway. Right now, nothing until night engine for the water train comes through. The 12:02 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross. Three 75711 to Electrostar. Right, thanks for that. 12:30 from Victoria, 466035. This is why the Charing Cross has been alterated over to 5. $47. Hold on. We're sending 5U82 behind this. He couldn't slow down, didn't he? Right, so problem at Ashford now is that this is delayed from earlier because of conductor being late. Network is waiting to go into berthing sidings. He's waiting to go to Maidstone. He's waiting to go to Victoria via Paddock Wood now, and there's a light loco outside. Thank you, nationalisation. Right, heavily delayed 12:16 to St Pancras, 395009, which is 12:56. And delayed due to a DOO fault. We're 66776 heading down to Donaldsmore for the water train. 395019 as well. Right, 9 and 19 to St Pancras only. Delayed due to DOO fault because it's becoming 1256 from Ramsgate, which had the delayed guard for this on it. And with him arrived at this location. This is the delayed 1156 South Eastern service to London Victoria via Bromley South. Gonna go Bromley South only. This has now been diverted via Paddock Wood and Tunbridge to go fast to Bromley. With no fucker on it. Well, I think there's about 2 passengers on it.
If you see something that doesn't look right, please speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
377509. There's about 4 passengers on it. 377509 to London Victoria. Who the fuck are you? Oh, you must be 1214. We're 395006. Everything's delayed. Apparently God took it earlier, which ended up with 1J49 being cancelled, which had the guard for 1156 on it. So he had to get diverted via the coast. Well, which ended up that service being delayed by 20 minutes due to camera fault because they had to become 1256. 377517 on the 1243 from Ashford Depot to Maidstone East. Three 77517 to London Victoria, to Maidstone East, then London Charing Cross. Right, everything's now calming down and back to normal whilst we wait for a 68. Right, this was actually running on time and via Maidstone, calling at all stations. The 1256 South Eastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East, 377510. O2's behind.
Platform 1 for the 1302 South Eastern service to London Charing Cross. Calling at Headcall, Staplehurst, Arden, Paddockwood, Tunbridge, Sevenoaks, London Waterloo East and London Charing Cross. This train has
3775 10 to London Victoria via Maidstone East. There won't be on that train.
1302 Southeastern service to London Charing.
The 1332 Southeastern service from Ramsgate and Ashford International to London Charing Cross. 375623 Hospice in the Weald and 715. Three seven five 715 and 623 Hospice in the Weald to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge. Hello, 6808 Avenger. That's on the 1349 from Willesden Brant to Appledore. For flash driver training. And that'll be it for Ashford. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.